is Happy Mail Friday, woohoo! And I have 3 amazing mails to share with you today. So I will just start with the first one. And the first one is quite special and a so unexpected mail. I absolutely loved it. So, as most of you know, I graduated this March as a graphic designer, and I had my struggles with school, and I switched classes and all that kind of thing, and then I accelerated. It was a weird situation, but I graduated, and one of the girls I was in class with when I started sent me a card to congratulate me. It was so unexpected. So she found my PO box address on my social media, and she sent me the most lovely card, even when I think about it. So she sent me this beautiful card. Time flies when you're having fun, and she wrote the most lovely message on the back to me, and it really this postcard really means a lot to me. So thank you so much, Chitske. You are amazing. So she was my buddy when we started out, and I had some troubles with my mental health and getting a concussion and then getting anemia. So we went separate ways in school because she got through the education. I slowed down a bit. So we weren't in the same class anymore, but she was my buddy from the start, and I had the most amazing time with her together. And I hope that we can meet up again soon, with all the regulations and stuff. So I hope that maybe we can see each other this summer, Chitske. I would love that. And then this will go definitely in my journal. I don't know if I'm going to put this in my pen pal journal. I think I'm going to put this in my personal journal, as this feels... I have lots of things to say about this, so maybe this will go into my personal journal. But thank you so much, Chitske. It really means a lot to me. So next up is this amazing letter from Carmen. I absolutely love reading your letter. It's just so fun to read letters everyone sends me and to get to know others a little bit more. I think you get quite a good idea about how I'm doing. So I absolutely love it when people share how they are doing and write letters to me. So Carmen sent me this big letter, and she added in some goodies. So of course I'm not going to share the letter with you because, well, that's quite personal. But she also included some amazing goodies, and I already spotted a sticker that would look perfect on my bullet journal. So she sent me this card. So happy. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit for this part. So happy. And then this beautiful butterfly. Also, look at this gorgeous envelope. And I love the stamps. Just saying, I didn't make a comment about it before, but I absolutely love the envelope. I was so happy when I came home and Oets picked this up for me from my PO box. Absolutely love it. So going on to the things she sent me. So she sent me this beautiful butterfly, this heart die cut, and this beautiful sticker with a sunflower, another beautiful butterfly, and a little camera, and this other gorgeous butterfly. Absolutely love them. Look at them. They're gorgeous. As you know, I love butterflies. This beautiful speech bubble. And then another beautiful butterfly. The speech bubble made of book pages, which I absolutely love. Then this beautiful flower that I got. You all know how much I love flowers, so this made me very happy. And another beautiful flower. And I don't know if I already had the camera, but then this beautiful star sticker, which looks amazing. Then we also have more of these flowers. So I think this will look very pretty on my bullet journal because I have a sage green colored leuchtturm right now. So I think this would look amazing on there on the cover. So I think I'm going to stick this on my bullet journal cover. So I'll put that aside. And then another cute little butterfly. And I also love this one. They're gorgeous. And then this quote sticker, she believes she could, so she did, which absolutely fits me. So maybe I should put the both of them on my bullet journal. Then this beautiful flower sticker. Absolutely love it. Then this one says, today is your day, which is also amazing. You are so special to me. Well, Carmen, you are also special to me, and you know that. I really love the friendships that I have made here on this YouTube channel and this adventure. It's amazing. Absolutely love it. Another beautiful speech bubble, and then another beautiful speech bubble, and this beautiful card, which I love the colors and the little flowers, and a beautiful butterfly. So Carmen, thank you so much. I'm going to put these on my bullet journal, so I'm going to take them out of the mail so I will not forget, and then I will put these back in here again. You are just amazing, and thank you for your lovely, lovely letter. I really enjoy reading the letters. I just make myself a cup of tea and sit downstairs and read all the letters, and I absolutely love it. They make me smile and all everything. So that was from Carmen, and the last one is from Prajakta. Yes, also known as Pretty Crafty Tales on Instagram. And I'm super excited about this mail. This was also lovely. So she sent it out halfway April, I believe, or mid-April. And was wondering if it got here, if it was here. And it is. And I absolutely love what you made. Oh, absolutely love it. It's just such a lovely mail. And I really, really like the envelope. And these stamps will definitely go into my pen pal journal. Because look at how gorgeous these stamps are. We don't have these pretty stamps here in the Netherlands, or not, at least not for international mail. Maybe we do have some pretty stamps for like inland mail. I don't know how you domestic. I think domestic mail, but for international we don't have really pretty stamps, or they are very expensive. But she sent me just a lovely mail. So I will start with this beautiful paper, which I absolutely love. So it says, "This is so you, love it. That one time, good times. Hey girl." So it's really, really cool. Love this paper. Love the colors. Then she also created some mixed media tags for me, which I absolutely adore. I'm super excited about that. And with these, I can also add my own extra little things on top, which makes me always very excited. So then I have something of you, and then when putting in a pen pal journal, there's also maybe something of me. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I do very, very much love them. Then we also have this. Oh, this was amazing. So this was her message to me. So this is her Instagram handle. Go check her out at Pretty Crafty Tales. And she sent me this gorgeous postcard. It is absolutely beautiful. So I was wondering, did you design this yourself? I absolutely love this postcard. Love the colors and the flowers and the teacup, and it is just gorgeous. So maybe I'm going to hoard this forever. I'm not quite sure. Because I am a notorious hoarder of what people send to me. I finally started using some stuff because I received a lot of stuff. But I think everything is so special that it's sent to me. So I'm a notorious hoarder. And then this was also super cool. So this is an envelope, handmade envelope. And then you have this twine thread thing over there, and if you open it up, she put some chai tea in there for me, which I am very excited to try out because I have never had this before. So this will be an adventure I'm looking forward to. Very excited to try it out, and also love the packaging. And of course the packaging will also go again in one of my journals, because I always keep all the packaging of teas or coffees people send me, and I put them in my personal journal or in my junk journal. Depends on what I'm journaling in. So I always pick out a tea, and then I create my page around the colors of that tea bag or packaging. So I keep all of this in my journal as a real ephemera, which is pretty cool. But I absolutely love it. And then, oh, I didn't even see this before. Oh, what? I didn't even see that before. Okay, so you can open it up. What? I totally missed this. How did I miss this? Oh, this is amazing. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, what? How did I miss this? The first time I opened this mail. Maybe it's because I was very tired when I opened it, but oh, I love it. Oh, look at that little piece. Oh, I love this too. Oh, they are amazing. Absolutely amazing. Love these colors. Love this star. What? How did I miss this? And I love these Project Life cards. They are so cool and also so well coordinated, this mail. I absolutely love it. How did I miss this before? I don't know. Can I take this off? I do think so. Yes, it looks like an envelope. So I'm gonna take this off very carefully. How did I miss this before? What? So now I had an extra little happy treat. Oh, there are even more die cuts in here. What? Oh, I love this. Oh, and some hearts. Oh, I love them. And this beautiful butterfly. Oh, wow. That's amazing. What? So now you also know why I don't open these up on camera, because my videos would be forever, because I like to linger around the pieces quite a little while. But wow! I love them. Oh, beautiful. What? This Happy Mail Friday was even an extra little surprise for me. That is so cool. Oh, thank you so much, Projekta. I love them. I love it. So I'm gonna put this back. How did I miss this extra little feature? I don't know, but I absolutely love it. So thank you all so much for these wonderful, wonderful mails. I absolutely love them, and they really, really brightened my day. And even when I was feeling a little bit down, these just made me so, so happy. So if you like this video, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up. I would also love it if you'd consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Put the notification bell on all notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. And recently, you can also become a Patreon of mine. Link is down below in the description box. And I post exclusive content over there, exclusive videos, printables, and you can also get a Zoom meeting with me, which is very, very exciting. So go there, check that out. Everything is linked down below in the description box. And then I hope to see you all next time. Bye!